What up, guys? It's Nick back here with another video. And today I got a order. I got some Jordan 1s, some Royal Toes, I guess is what they are. I don't know. Shit, I don't keep up with that shit like that. But you know, he got some Jordan 1s, and I guess he warm a little bit, so he wanted me to clean them up a little bit and customize them. So today he wanted a Yu-Gi-Oh thing, and he really gave me full reign to do whatever I wanted to do. So I was like, okay, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, can't be disappointed. but I ran through them. I thought about doing Yugi on one side, Seto Kaiba on the other side, Exodia on the Yugi shoe, and then the Blue Eyes White Dragon on the Kaiba shoe. You know, just to give it a little balance, because I didn't really get into Yu-Gi-Oh past the first season. But like, I just remember that first episode was epic. so I'm kind of gonna just play into that and just see where that goes. But let me know what you guys think about the video, and like, comment, subscribe. All right, guys, it's Nick. Today, like I said, I'm doing a Yu-Gi-Oh piece, and here I'm starting off with just laying my line work in. I like using my normal subtractive method that I use. I think probably with my next video I'll do a full tutorial about how I go about my process or whatever. But you know, I'm just laying the line work in, and then using pens and pencils. Basically, there's nothing really complicated about it. And now I'm just moving on to Seto Kaiba. I like to lay all my line work down first, and like to get everybody penciled in, penned in, and kind of just to map out the shoe, see how I like everything is going to be. You know what I'm saying? Just till you get satisfied with it. You can always keep changing it, you know, erase, change, or whatever, till you get something you're satisfied with. And then, you know, you move on from there. I mean, the thing is, I like to lay, like, if I'm doing something where I know I'm gonna cover most of the shoe, like on this particular shoe, it started off black, but I laid down that whole cover, and I covered the whole thing in white just so I can redraw over it, you know, cover everything in white, so that way when I lay my line work down, everything will be cool. So after you do the line work, I normally go in, I put a light layer of adhesion promoter on there, just to, you know what I'm saying, make sure the paint sticks very well and it won't be coming up and all that. Like, you know, if you wear it like normal wear and tear, you might get a little bit of damage, but you know what I'm saying, it shouldn't be noticeable enough to where you be like, dang, you know, somebody half did your shoe. So you know, but you know, anyway, it's simple custom. It wasn't too Exodia was hard, let me say that, let me reword that, because it took me forever to do that. But now, like, here, just laying in Yugi was kind of simple, like just a regular character, put in the skin tones and hair color, and after all that, it's simple. It's simple as that. I mean, Yu-Gi-Oh was a great show to me. Like, you know, sometimes I remember watching this before going to school and stuff like that. But you know, that made it a really fun custom to do. And you know, right now, just laying in with the Angelus paint. You know, simple. Just make sure you do multiple layers of it, like, in, you know, layers of dry time. Well, not layers of dry time. Time of dry time, so that you can go back over it. I mean, I use a heat gun, but sometimes even still, you know what I'm saying, you don't want to, you know, burn it just that fast, like heat it up just that fast. I mean, it may take a minute or so, let it cool down, and then go in there and then go back over it, so that way your layers can get really thick and really full. You know, the most time consuming part is the actual paint and letting having dry time and all that. You know, aside of prepping the shoe. Sometimes prepping the shoe can be extremely difficult, time consuming. So make sure you take the time to do that, and you know, take advantage of the materials you have, because it could be a lot longer if you don't have like a heat gun or you know what I'm saying, anything that can speed things up. So yeah, but simple custom. You know, hope this guy's satisfied with it. Let me know what you guys think about it, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.